In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create QR codes for audio files in Google Drive. Doing this can make sharing your audio files quick and easy, allowing anyone to access them with just a simple scan. Let's dive in and see how it's done. To start, you'll want to open up Google Drive where your audio file is stored. Head over to Google Drive and make sure you are logged into the correct account that has access to the audio file you wish to share. Once you've arrived at the homepage, feel free to take a moment to familiarize yourself with your files and ensure you know exactly which audio file you plan on transforming into a QR code. Next up, navigate through your files until you locate the specific audio file. When you find it, simply right-click on the file to bring up a menu of options. This is where you'll make some crucial choices, and I'll guide you through exactly what to select. From the menu, click on Share. This option is your gateway to configuring the accessibility settings of your audio file. Moving forward, you'll notice the sharing settings are set to restricted by default. This setting prevents others from accessing your file without an invitation. What you want to do here is click on restricted to alter the permissions. You'll then select anyone with the link. This adjustment will generate a direct link to your audio file, making it accessible to anyone who possesses it, which is necessary for creating a QR code. Now that the permissions are set, it's time to copy the link for your file. Simply click on the copy link button. Google Drive will confirm that it's copied, so now you have the key to sharing your audio file. The next step is to transform this link into a QR code using a QR code generator. Open a new tab and search for a QR code generator. You will find many options online, but feel free to use one you're comfortable with or go to a recommended site if you have one in mind. Once there, you'll see an input field where you can paste the link you just copied. Go ahead and do that now. After pasting your link, you'll be ready to create your QR code. Hit the generate or create button, and just like that, your QR code will be created. Now for the final step, downloading your QR code. You'll find an option to download, click on it, and your QR code will typically be saved as an image file on your device. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to create a QR code for your audio file stored in Google Drive. This QR code can now be shared easily, allowing others to access your file effortlessly. Thanks for joining me today, and happy sharing.